welcome to Principles of Applied Engineering. This is Unit 1, Mechanisms, and Lesson 1, Simple Machines, Mechanical Advantage, and Work. In your engineering notebook, I'm going to ask for you guys to go ahead and title this page here as Mechanical Advantage Notes. We're going to go over the 6 simple machines, mechanical advantage. We're also going to talk about what the difference is between AMA, or actual mechanical advantage, and IMA, ideal mechanical advantage. And we're going to talk about what work means. Please go ahead and number the page up in that top there. First off, there's going to be 2 families of simple machines. There's the lever family and the inclined plane family. So everything under the lever family is going to have some similar characteristics, and the same with the inclined plane family. So lever family includes, obviously, levers, and you might know that there's 3 classes of levers. So there's first class, second class, and third class. We'll go over that more in the next lesson. We also have a wheel and axle and a pulley. So what do these 3 things have in common? Well, for all of these, you're basically talking about something where we have an object that is rotating about an axis. So whether that is a flat bar rotating on a pivot point or a fulcrum, or a round object that's rotating on an axle, or a pulley where we've got a rope hanging around a wheel and we're pulling that back and forth around that wheel. So all of these involve rotating something about an axis. Now with our inclined planes, all of these have something in common too. So your inclined plane, that's going to be the one that looks like a right angle or like a right triangle. Whereas when I want you to think about a wedge as being an isosceles triangle, more like that. A lot of times objects like this do get used as wedges, and in that situation we'll think about this altitude of your isosceles triangle instead of thinking about it like this. The math is just a little bit different between inclined plane and wedge, and we'll cover that in another lesson. And then finally, of course, we have a screw, which is typically thought of as an inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder. But in all of these situations, we're using some kind of an incline to change the direction of our force by to make it easier to elevate something, or we're applying a force in one direction to get something to go in a different direction. So here we're pushing up the incline in order to get something to just be lifted up. So we're using this tool to change the direction of our force.